We are at the Yelahanka Air Base in Bengaluru, Aero India 2019 that you're watching. Today is really special because it also marks the achievements as well as the contribution of women in the defense sector. So they lined up several of these women in the defense sector, some of them in the Navy, some of them in the administration. The best of the lot who are here is what we are told, and all this becomes significant because in a few days from now we are also celebrating the Women's Day here. Ma'am, you can tell us what made you get into the defense sector?
Well, I would like to say that this is one of the organization wherein you don't only serve your nation, but you also come out as a shining individual. So what I've learned in this past 15 years is the excellence, the mission and the integrity which this organization has given me. And the pride I have right now on my face, it reflects and it says it all.
I'm sure. Is the entire family as well proud of you today?
Yeah, I am basically from the defense background, so I was expecting myself to join defense, but Indian Air Force, I found it's a great opportunity for the women to excel in different fields.
So, how are you as a person at home? I mean, I'm sure you're like the very disciplined kinds on field, but at home, how are you?
I think at home we are all just normal women as others are, pampered, spoiled, and of course, but there are instances when we are disciplined in different facets of life, and I think what Air Force teaches you is to accept all challenges in the daily lives and be independent. So I think that is one difference. Probably we are quite independent and self-dependent, I would say.
Talking about the challenges, ma'am, I'm sure there is a lot of risk involved. How does your family react to it? Are they also all the time, nail biting themselves?
Not really. I mean, it's just because of our parents and all that we are here. It's because of them that they've given us this opportunity to be here. So I mean, if it's a challenge for us, it's a challenge for them as well. So that's how it is.
Right. Mom, if you can also tell us, how's the training like? I'm sure it's very rigorous. So some of them telling me that I wanted to get into the Indian Air Force, but then I looked at the training and I was like petrified.
Nothing should petrify you, first of all. Take every challenge as an opportunity and just go with the flow, that is all. We've all completed our training that way because everyone was doing it, so we did it. So looking at each other, we get that motivation to do it, and we just go through it. It's a smooth sailing. If you look at each other, it gives you confidence.
What is that one event that is always unforgettable, most challenging, you will never forget it in your life?
Most challenging was doing casualty evacuation of a patient of mine blast from the border, like close to Srinagar, like Pakistan, in Udhampur. That was.
Thank you so much, and all of us are really proud of you. So those were the women in the defense sector, the Indian Air Force from different divisions of it, talking to us about what really inspired them to get into the defense sector, and truly an inspiration today for all the women here watching the spectacular show Aero India 2019 with video journalist Abu Bakr Pratibha Raman, My Nation.